What's the list, Randall? We're here at Mod FX. You know, it's been a little while, we've been busy, but we're gonna get back to it. What I have here today is gonna be a Dodge Ram, or you know, they go by the Ram now. What we did is we went ahead and put some underglow in this vehicle. My man Super Sam Blue, 392, one of our guys on Team Mod FX, wanted to do something special for his wife. And so what he did was he had us add the lighting trends, a Flow Series Underglow kit on this Ram. And so I'm gonna give y'all a quick preview of this vehicle, and hopefully she'll like it, but let's get to it. So as you can see, my man has the Ram set up real nicely. You know, he has a purple wrap on here. You got the aluminum wheels, you know, definitely give it some good contrast. But what we did, you know, we always gonna put our sauce on it, and so we have the Flow Series Underglow kit on here. What that means is that you have 4 strips of underglow going all the way around the vehicle. They're encased in metal to protect it from the elements and from any type of road debris and things of that nature. And it gives you pretty full coverage when you go around the vehicle. So as you see, I'm starting at the front of the car, going all the way to the back. We have nice even coverage throughout this vehicle, and it really just gives it a nice touch. Now with the Flow Series Underglow, we have 200 patterns. It's controlled by a Bluetooth controller. You know, everything we do, we use a Bluetooth controller at minimum. Sometimes we even go with a more upgraded version, but you know, it's a Bluetooth control, 200 patterns. He can pretty much do any color or different color combinations he wants, and this kit's gonna last for years to come. So you can do this kit on trucks, cars. You know, it's real versatile as far as what it can be used on. It's a pretty cool setup. Definitely is gonna give some nice accent color to the Ram. It is wrapped purple, so we have it on purple right now. But I'm finna go ahead and show you a couple of these patterns real quick. And so you can see we're hooking up the phone to it right now in the Bluetooth app. And so we got a bunch of cars out here right now. So anytime you're around a bunch of Bluetooth devices or a bunch of cars, you're gonna see a lot of different devices. But once you find the correct device, you'll be able to change the colors. And so we found the device. And so, you know, now we have the rainbow patterns and pretty much 199 other patterns that we can choose as far, and infinite colors that we can blend. And so that's how you do it. You know, full customization as far as adjustability, you know, versatility on the patterns, and pretty much depending on how you're feeling is how you can do it. And once again, it's going to be the lighting trends, Flow Series Underglow kit. We're at Mod FX, and we'll see you on the next one. So once again, we appreciate y'all rocking with us. Any questions you have, feel free to reach out. We're more than happy to help. We'll keep them coming, and we'll see y'all soon. So y'all be safe. All right, peace.